Welcome back to our A to Z dental series. Today's letter is J. J stands for jaw pain. Jaw pain isn't just stress or tiredness, it can be a sign of teeth grinding, clenching, or even TMJ problems. If ignored, it can damage your teeth as well as your joints. So, if your jaw hurts often, don't wait it out. Visit your dentist early because healthy jaw means healthy smile. Don't forget to share this video with your clenching friend. Thank you. Stay tuned.